To enable or disable quick share on the Xiaomi 17, you can simply open settings on your phone. Next, you want to proceed to more connectivity options. And then in here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the quick share option. Now, once you open the quick share app, over here we have who can share with you. So you want to tap on this option. And in order to disable quick share, you can just completely turn off the visibility. Besides that, what you can also do is if you enable quick share, you might want to switch the visibility from contacts to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes. This pretty much ensures that other devices can find your device in order to transfer files. But also, one tip that I can share with you is that if you go back to this main menu of this app, then you can go to receive, and while being in receive, you are temporarily visible to everyone. So it doesn't really matter what the visibility is set up as. If you go over here and open this menu, then you are pretty much certain that you are detectable by other devices. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.